What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Ag. B. O. C. Gd. D. Go. Answer. B. O. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. D. Mercury. Answer. C. Mars. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Skin. D. Heart. Answer. C. Skin. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer. C. Carbon dioxide. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? A. 90 degree Celsius. B. 95 degree Celsius. C. 100 degree Celsius. D. 110 degree Celsius. Answer. C. 100 degree Celsius. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A. A+, B. B जोड़, C. AB जोड़, D. O घटाव. Answer. D. O घटाव. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin K. Answer. C. Vitamin D. What is the hardest natural substance? A. Iron. B. Gold. C. Diamond. D. Quartz. Answer. C. Diamond. Which instrument measures earthquakes? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Seismograph. D. Hygrometer. Answer. C. Seismograph. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Neptune. Answer. A. Mercury. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. Answer. B. Nitrogen. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. D. Flower. Answer. C. Leaf. What is the C unit of force? A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Pascal. Answer. B. Newton. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Heart. D. Kidney. Answer. C. Heart. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron. B. Mercury. C. Copper. D. Silver. Answer. B. Mercury. Which planet is the largest in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. D. Uranus. Answer. C. Jupiter. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin K. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer. B. Vitamin K. Which gas is essential for human respiration? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Hydrogen. D. Helium. Answer. B. Oxygen. Which scientist proposed the law of gravity? A. Albert Einstein. B. Isaac Newton. C. Galileo Galilei. D. Nikola Tesla. Answer. B. Isaac Newton. What is the chemical formula of water? HCO2. B. CO. D. Answer. B. Which organ filters blood in the human body? A. Stomach. B. Kidney. C. Heart. D. Brain. Answer. B. Kidney. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. D. Leopard. Answer. C. Cheetah. Which layer protects Earth from harmful UV rays? A. Troposphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Ozone layer. D. Exosphere. Answer. C. Ozone layer. What is the C unit of temperature? A. Celsius. B. Fahrenheit. C. Kelvin. D. Joule. Answer. C. Kelvin. Which planet has the most prominent rings? A. Mars. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. D. Venus. Answer. B. Saturn. Which gas is used by divers for deep-sea breathing mixtures? A. Helium. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. Answer. A. Helium. Which organ controls the human nervous system? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Liver. D. Lungs. Answer. B. Brain. Which acid is present in lemon? A. Acetic acid. B. Sulfuric acid. C. Citric acid. D. Hydrochloric acid. Answer. C. Citric acid. Which force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? A. Magnetic force. B. Frictional force. C. Gravitational force. D. Electrostatic force. Answer: C. Gravitational force. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer: C. Vitamin C.